Hey, what's going on, guys? Booster Whips here. Today we're going to be installing some carbon fiber pillar overlays over the G70. These are specifically made for all years. I got the seller to send it for the 2022. I believe it's the same for 2018 to 2021. But here's a close-up. You can see the weaves on there. So this is real fiber. This is not a hydro dipped. So it comes with a nice 3M backing here, so you guys can see. All you do is peel it off and put it on the existing pillars. Flexible material, but it's full 3M hand laid carbon fiber. So this is for the small trim piece that's on the side of the door, the ones that are in the back. So let's go ahead and get this started. All right, the very first thing you want to do is make sure the area is nice and clean, and secondly, you want to go ahead and find the correct sides. Obviously, they're not labeled, but you got to make sure you find your left and right side. I already pre-positioned this one. It's not stuck on or anything. I just like to make sure I got the correct side. And secondly, make sure that it fits from top to bottom, full fill. So you're going to have the areas on the sides exposed, of course. This is for a front layer, full carbon fiber. So as you guys can see, it fits perfectly. So what we're gonna do is gonna end up peeling from the top and work our way down as we're peeling. And then we'll do that on every side, including the little one that's right here. And then that's it. I'll show you the finished product. I'm gonna go ahead and start on this one, and we'll see how it goes. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and start peeling the red ribbon from the back. And what I like to do is probably come a little bit more than halfway. And we'll start from the top and work our way down. And we don't want to lay it completely down, just want to make sure that everything's still lined up, and then we can start pressing. So if you do mess up, you can always go back up like so, because it was coming a little bit off slanted here. And it's gonna come down nicely here, like so. I think that lines up there a little bit perfectly. So I'm gonna go ahead and start pressing, and then we'll start on the other side. All right, so we already have one pillar. This one, I'm gonna try to do it from the bottom, simply because I noticed that there's more room up top than there is at the bottom, and you don't wanna go over your rubber. So we did the same. We peel off halfway, line everything up, and then just kind of lay over it nicely, like so. That way you reach the top with no problem, and you don't have an excess at the bottom. So I think doing it from the bottom up is much better. So that's how that looks. I'm gonna go ahead and press this. I'm gonna use a microfiber towel. I don't like using my hands so I don't scratch the carbon fiber here, clear coat that they put on here. And then we'll go ahead and do the little one on that side. All right, so same thing on this. I'm gonna go ahead and peel off the back taping here. Like so. And we're gonna go ahead and position this just a little bit tab down from the edge, so that way you have enough space at the bottom, like so, and that way you have a full coverage. This one is not as excessive as the one on the bigger pillars, so you want to leave just a little bit, maybe like about 1 or 2 millimeters here. That way you also have a 1 or 2 millimeter at the bottom. But there it is. Overall, it's super perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the driver's side, and we'll wrap this video up. Here's the finished product. These can be acquired at Etsy. I'm gonna go ahead and put the link on the description. You guys can go ahead and purchase them. I am working with the owner to try to get the G70 community discount. So if you guys wanna go ahead and wait on that, totally up to you. If not, you can go ahead and purchase it from the link directly. So this is the passenger side. I'll go ahead and I'll show you the driver's side and we'll wrap this video up. All right guys, here's the driver's side. Same thing, nicely done, precision cut. And here's the back door with the little trim piece there. Looks really good. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys have any questions, comments, go ahead and drop them below. Thanks for watching. As always, like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, Boosted Whips, I'm out. Have a very pleasant day, and God bless.